Hello, hello! Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Tom.
Today's episode is fun. We're talking about hobbies. Yes, hobbies are things you love to do in your free time. Talking about hobbies is a great way to start conversations in English.
And don't worry, today's English is simple, friendly, and perfect for A1 to A2 learners. Stay with us, repeat with us, and enjoy the journey. And hey, if you like our podcast, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. All right, let's get started. We'll teach you 6 easy hobby phrases with examples, repetition, and small conversations. Phrase 1, I like. Okay, first hobby phrase is I like. Very simple and very useful. Both repeat. I like. Example. I like reading books. Another example. I like playing football. Your turn, listeners. Say one thing you like. Repeat after me. I like. Phrase 2, my hobby is. Next phrase, my hobby is. Both repeat. My hobby is. Example, my hobby is painting. Another example, my hobby is cooking. Okay, listeners, now you try. My hobby is. Phrase 3, I enjoy. Another nice phrase is I enjoy. It means you like something and it makes you happy. Both. Repeat. I enjoy. Example. I enjoy listening to music. My example. I enjoy walking in the evening. All right, your turn. I enjoy. Phrase 4. In my free time, I. This phrase helps you sound more natural. In my free time, I. Both repeat. In my free time, I. Example. In my free time, I watch movies. Another example. In my free time, I play with my dog. Listeners, your turn. In my free time, I. Phrase 5, I love. Next one is simple but strong. I love. Both repeat. I love. Example, I love dancing. Another example, I love cooking for my friends. Your turn. I love. Phrase 6, I'm interested in. The last one sounds a bit advanced, but still easy. I'm interested in. Both repeat. I'm interested in. Example, I'm interested in photography. Another example, I'm interested in learning new languages. Now your turn.